ඒ වගේම මේ අවස්ථාව International Human Rights Global Mission හි President ARN Amir Khan ඔබතුමාට මගේ ආරාධනය පැමිණ සිටින සිදු දෙනාව පිළිගන්න ලෙසට.
Religious patrons and our chief guests and directors, coordinators, already I welcome you all. So we have a short time. So I would like to welcome you all. And also especially I must thank to His Excellency Dr. B. Mozami Gudarzi, our Iran Culture Center Consular, and also our chief guest, Her Excellency Professor Dr. Beena Gandhi Tiori. Thank you so much for participating. So what can it be? I mean, we have a big vision, madam. We have a big vision, sir. I will say here. So that's why all our directors here, you can see, just see behind all are standing. Even my another special guest is standing here from India, our cruise ship USA, our regional director is standing. This means this is the humanitarian work. They have good heart. We all have good hearts. Please put a big, loud hands up. I mean, loud applause to our members are standing there. The other side. Thank you. Next time we are going to do the function in cruise ship. All can participate. Okay. So our director, we all will make the agenda quickly. Maybe in before December, we are going to do a big function in the cruise ship. Cruise ship means 6,000 people we can get in one ship, right? Okay, we are having 3 days, 1 day seminar and the functions and everything in the ship. So not only ship, in Sri Lanka we have registered because we want to do a good service to Sri Lanka for this nation. That's why our president is here, for the international affairs, Mr. Dr. Nazim J.P. Olailand, he is with us here. So he will do in future all the international affairs. So he is the president for international affairs, and he also can be a president. Sri Lanka, all members I am saying. So this year I am the president in Sri Lanka. Maybe tomorrow, madam, you can be a president of this organization. But you have to show your activities and your social work and how you are doing for the community, development and racial harmony, and what you all doing. We will watch. If you can do better than me, definitely next year you will be the president. One of you all, maybe. Am I correct?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you. Now we'll go for the next session. I would like to call upon His Excellency, our chief guest, His Excellency Dr. B. Mozami Gudarzi, sir. Please welcome. And Her Excellency Professor Dr. Beena Gandhi Tiori, madam, can we have on the stage, please? Dr. Her Excellency Professor Dr. Beena Gandhi Tiori, and I'd like to call upon our chairman Dr. M.A.C. Mahsoon J.P. Olailand. Please come forward, sir. And our international USA Incruises Regional Director from India, Coimbatore. He's the Incruises USA Regional Director. Dr. Vishnu Madhu is here. So already I said the next function will be in the Incruises soon. All guests will be coming and all our directors will be coming. We are going to have a very good function in the Incruises. And the next our International Affairs President and our advisor, Chief Advisor. Sir, please come forward. Our Dr. Nazim J.P. Olaila. And His Excellency Dr. B. Mahazami Gudarji. There's a special another honor.
ගෞරව සම්මාන ප්‍රදානය කරන අවස්ථාවයි. His Excellency Dr. B. Mahazami Gudarji, Her Excellency Professor Dr. Veena Gandhi Diori, I already invite
Can we have on the stage Dr. Maufiq?
Come to the board. Sir, come to the board.
Chairman Dr. M.A.C. Mazoom, and then
Come to the board. Come to the board.
Dr. Mr. Vishnu Madhu, International President ASM Nazim, බන්ධනාගාර කොමසාරිස්තුමන් KK SNK කළුආරච්චි ඔබතුමන්ට මේ ආරාධනය.
So in future we have to do a lot of activities in the prisons. So innocent people are arrested and we have to release them. We have to work for them, not for criminals, only for decent people. People are, innocents are in the prisons. So we are going to do special activities in the future. special gifts from our board of directors, Lion Kuber Lingam, because he is in the gold field from his jewelry association. He's giving on behalf of their association special gifts to them. And also Dr. Satish Kumar, thank you so much for joining with us, sir. It's in a short period, short invitation he has gathered with us. Thank you, Honorable Sir.
Excuse me, doctor. Help us, please. Yeah, right, ready.
And can we have on the stage Dr. Satish Kumar? Dr. Satish Kumar is a special character in Sri Lanka. He has contributed a lot of services for our community. He has done a lot of social works, and for racial harmony he worked a lot from politician side and the other side. Every angle he has done a lot of service for Sri Lankan people, for our community. Thank you, Honorable Dr. Satish Kumar, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Now I would like to call upon His Excellency Dr. B. Mozami Budarji to address the gathering, sir. A special speech by His Excellency Dr. B. Mozami Budarji.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ayuban, Aneka, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Distinguished guests, Dr. M. A.C. Mahsoon, Dr. Madhu Karishana, Dr. Ina Gandhi, Mr. Vishnu Madhav, members of the board, Mr. Amir Khan, Dr. Abdul Razak, Mr. Leon Kober Lingam, Mr. A.S.M. Nazim, and all of the members, all of the distinguished guests. Good afternoon. It's so pleasure that I am among your peace and human rights activities and also social work activities. I would like to give special thanks to those who invited to this ceremony and for honoring the memory of the martyr President of Iran, Islamic Republic of Iran, Ayatollah Dr. Raisi. President, Martyr, and Minister of Foreign Minister of Iran, Dr. Amir Abdullahian, were also supporters of human rights in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I represented a country with more than 7,000 years of history, culture, and civilization. Friedrich Hegel, the great German philosopher, considered Iran to be the first historical nation and the Iranian Empire as the first empire in the history. The name Iran is derived from the word Aryan and referred to the Aryan race Some historians and researchers consider the people of Sri Lanka to be an Aryan race. And I am happy and so glad and proud of that because Sri Lankan people are people with rich cultural and history. In the history of the land, peace, friendship, and human rights have always been the concern of the people of Iran. The first text of the human rights was written by the king Korosh or Cyrus of Iran in 538 BC, before the child. And with the arrival of the dear Islam in Iran, under the shadow of the teaching of the Islam and Quran and the decrees of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the 7th century AD can be studied as the human right. Ladies and gentlemen, human rights in Islam and also in other religions are beyond all the laws and the rights that have been developed in the contemporary world. But today, Western countries that chanted the slang of the human rights can no longer claim to be in favor of the human rights. It is now clear to the whole world that they have double standard when it comes to human rights. Because for them, Western human rights, for them, Western humanity is different from non-Western humanity. Black, white, Muslim from non-Muslims, and Palestinian from non-Palestinian. Because Dr. Raisi and Dr. Amir Abdullahian spoke for the oppressed people of the Palestinian. We hope to see real human rights in the world one day. In the end, we'll thank you again. I wish success to all members and activities of the International Human Rights Global Mission. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, His Excellency, Dr. B. Mozami Gudarzi. In future, he will be with us, he will be with our community. So we have to go a good journey with all these members. So thank you, our directors, coordinators, and members. In future, we can do much more things, many things. So now we are going to do some charitable activities in this. For the Mofit Garevale area, we have selected some disabled people and around 20 wheelchairs and some other disabled people's needy things we have arranged. So that also from our International Human Rights Global Mission, Madam, sir. So one by one we are increasing our services with our chairman is here. the smiling person always with us, Dr. M.A.C. Mahsoom J.P. Olailan, and for our international affairs, always with us, Mr. Nazim, and for inclusive wise. Okay, in future, we are going to do some inclusive special things. So, few words, Mr. Vishnu, come forward.
First of all, thank you for inviting such a wonderful meeting here. I special thanks to Mr. Amir Khan. Next meeting will be definitely in a cruise ship, not ordinary cruise ship. Minimum 15 to 25 floors. You can play this video. So we are working that particular cruise ship, not only one cruise ship. So your meeting, your entertainment and your stay, your food, everything at one place. Not only one place, whenever you enjoy your daily activities, you can travel from one place to another place, or one port to another port, or one country to another country. This is such a beautiful experience, such a wonderful different experience from other vacation. Cruise vacation is completely new for Asia, because in rest of the world, apart from Europe, only 2% of the people only cruised at a lifetime. So we will give this, this is in cruises. Our company is based from US company. You can, this is membership club. You can travel around the world and you can explore lot of the places with a cruise ship. So we will do our best. Next meeting will be definitely in a cruise ship. We will arrange everything for you, meeting, your entertainment, your food, everything at one place. Thank you very much for giving such a wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Dr. Vishnu. So in future, we can travel all countries. I mean, how many countries we travel? We can travel how many countries, Harlan? 39 countries from Sri Lanka. For Sri Lankan, we can go in cruises. Okay. Now, now we'll start our presentation of honoring. Our members, directors. We are getting ready to honor you and give you membership card and the certificate. Okay. We'll start. From our member, Lion S.K. Prasanna Ranapura, MAF, Lion S.K. Prasanna Ranapura. And also we are giving a membership, a certificate also for the in-cruises. In future you can travel any country. Once we enter into our, functions, then you can travel. G. Kritik Roshan. Kritik Roshan. Kritik Roshan. And R.M. Sujani Nilangika Rasnaik. R.M. Sujani Nilangika Rasnaik. Muhammad Askar. Muhammad Askar is another a coordinator of our International Human Rights Global Mission, Mohammed Asghar. Are you here, Mohammed Asghar? Hamidul Khan Seri. Hamidul Khan Seri, one of our educational unit coordinator. Next, Vilvara Arachige, Nilusha Shashimal Pereira. Shashimal Pereira is also a social worker and also involved in politics. Can you come forward? Is one of our coordinator. The next, T.F. Ramzania. T.F. Ramzania. She is one of our Women and Child Affairs coordinator for International Human Rights Global Mission. Muttalif Muhammad Saburdeen. Muttalif Muhammad Saburdeen. He coordinates our religious affairs. Maulavi Muttalif Muhammad Saburdeen. K.A.K. Kaushani Bhatia, student of our University of Colombo University. Our Women and Child Affairs, another coordinator, K.A. Kaushani Bhatia. K.A. Kaushani Bhatia. She is one of our Women and Child Affairs coordinator. Next, Lion Dr. J. Lohidasan JP, All Island, is one of our member. IVN Lion Dr. Yes, he's coming. Dr. J. Lohidasan JP, All Island. He's our new member, has joined with us. All the best for your services, and your services will be recognized in future. You have to travel with us, all members. Thank you, all the best. Dr. Premaraja Muthukumare, our coordinator of media. Dr. Premaraja Muthukumare. So next, Magama Mudalige Dinesh Lindley, former logistic assistant. Dinesh Lindley is a former logistic assistant and one of our coordinator for International Human Rights Global Mission. For our future services, he will be giving his contribution. Thank you so much. Next, International Human Rights special new member, HMM Imtiaz. HMM Imtiaz. Next, AMF Naja Sifruz, Educational Unit Coordinator, Naja Sifruz. Kumar Raja Linantini. Kumar Raja Linantini. She is another new member of International Human Rights Global Mission Educational Unit. Sahabdeen E. Sahabdeen, our International Human Rights Coordinator, are you here? Mr. Sahabdeen. NMP. Mr. Sahabdeen. ஷஹாப்தீன் அவர்களுக்கும் வாழ்த்துக்கள். எங்களுடைய சேவைகளோடு நீங்கள் தொடர்ச்சியாக இருக்க வேண்டும். MMP Shamla. MMP Shamla and G. Renukat. G. Renukat. District Election Monitoring Preferral and Social Service Diploma. G. Renukant. ரேணுகாந்த் அவர்களுக்கும் எங்களுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். இவர்கள் புதிதாக எங்களுடைய இணைந்து கொள்ளக்கூடிய அங்கத்தவர்கள் இனிவரும் காலங்களிலே நிறைய சேவைகள் செய்ய வேண்டும். டி. கல்பனா ரங்கானி அபேஸ்ரீவர்தன் அபேஸ்ரீவர்ஷனர், Women and Child Affairs Coordinator. கல்பனா ரங்கானி அபேஸ்ரீவர்ஷனர். Yes, Kalpana. मेरे पास अभी कल्पना में बड़ा कराने होने. अभी देंगे ह्यूमन राइट्स के डब्बे देंगे. कल्पना, yes. U.L. Kamal Mustafa. U.L. Kamal Mustafa. For his social work and community development, we are giving a special Man of Nation Award. U.L. Kamal Mustafa. M.H. Hatim, coordinator, our new coordinator, M.H. Hatim. Dr. M.S.F. Sifana. She's a principal and also she's joining as a coordinator for the Women and Child Affairs, Dr. M.S.F. Sifana. PMDRB Gunatilaka, undergraduate at the University of Colombo. Gunatilaka. Dr. R. Geo Melroy Cruz. Our new member, Dr. R. Geo Melroy Cruz. Cruz? Yes. K. Kumaran. K. Kumaran. Deputy Principal K. Kumaran. He's joining as a coordinator for Educational Unit. Kumaran. Reverend B. Dhamma Sumanahimi. Reverend B. Dhamma Sumanahimi. Dhamma Sumanahimi, Reverend S.M. Muhammad Shihar. S.M. Muhammad Shihar. The next, U. Dinushika Sandamali. Dinushika Sandamali. Dinushika. M.C.M. Shyam, M.C.M. Shyam, B.A. and Justice of the Whole Island, J.P. M.C.M. Shyam, M.F.M. Pfizer, M.F.M. Pfizer, M.S.M. Sajjad, G.V. Medusha, a new member of Women and Child Affairs, G.V. Medusha. G.V. Medusha. G.V. Medusha. Next, in Indonesian. 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 Is involved in Parliament affairs. Our coordinator, Indonesian. The next, R. Iranti Upeksha Ranawakar. She's a media coordinator, BA specialist in mass media, University of Colombo. R. Iranti Upeksha Ranawakar. Upeksha? Yeah, Upeksha Ranawakar. She's here. All the best, our new members and coordinators. Can I give a round of applause to all our members, coordinators, and our achievers are gathered here. Anyhow, next function we'll do in a big hall. Anyhow, this time, definitely. And you have to excuse us because some of our people came with the family members. So here, with we have to face some maybe small problems. Excuse us, all members. And next, R. Kannadasan. R. Kannadasan.
Kannadasan here.
R. Kannadasan. Then Lion A. Tirupradasam, MJF, MAF, and one of another coordinator. Lion A. Tirupradasam. Lion Tirupradasam. Lion RIYM Anif is joining as a director for International Human Rights Global Mission. He has done lot of services, lot of activities, social activities in Sri Lanka for poor people and needy people, for our community has done. Lion Dr. IYM Anif. Are you here, Hanif? Okay, thank you. And also, we tried to put some chairs here for our members. Excuse me, still we can't do any special arrangement. Is it okay? Once you get the certificates, anyhow you can take your photographs outside or whatever. And please give the seats to our directors and for others. And this is a special announcement. Thank you. Right. நான் உங்களுக்கு இன்னும் நிறைய கதிரியெல்லாம் போடுறதுக்கு அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் பண்ண பார்த்தோம், இருந்தாலும் முடியாத நிலையிலே இருந்தாலும் இந்த நிகழ்வை அவசரமாக எடுத்து செல்வோம். அப்துல் ஹசன் அர்ஷாத். அப்துல் ஹசன் அர்ஷாத். சர்டிபிகேட்ஸ் அதாவது எடுத்தவங்க முடியுமா இருந்தா கொஞ்சம் வெளியே நீங்க உங்களோட போட்டோகிராஃப்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கலாம். மற்ற மெம்பர்ஸுக்கு இடம் கொடுக்குமாறு கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். உங்களுடைய தயவை கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். சர்டிபிகேட் இதுவரை எடுத்தவர்கள் சற்று நீங்கள் நிறைய புகைப்படங்களை உள்ளே வந்து எடுக்கலாம். நீங்கள் வெளியே இருக்கின்ற புகைப்படங்களை எடுத்து எங்களுக்கு ஒத்துழைக்குமாறு கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். So dear our members, මෙතන certificates ගත්ත කට්ටිය පොඩ්ඩක් අපේ directorsලා මෙතන පිටිපස්සෙන් ඉන්නවා. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉඩ ඒගොල්ලන්ට දීලා Nisha, your seats, please kindly we need your cooperation. Thank you. Next, Fernando JP, Deshamania Lion Dinesh Fernando JP, and LLB UK, our new coordinator. Excuse me. Adikati Vadivella, please. Certificate Datta Katti product Abida Udav Karana. Anit Katti, you can please help. Ever give a certificate gun Abi. ආරාධන නැතුවත් මෙතන සමහර කට්ටිය ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි සංවිධානයේ හැම මාසෙම මේ කටයුතු කරන ඉඳ අපිට පොඩි උදව්වක් කරන්න ඕනේ. MN Ushama Mohammed, a director. Ushama Mohammed. Next, Lion Dharmaraja Tavasilan, MJF, MAF, JP. Lion Dharmaraja Tavasilan. S. Mauroof, another international affairs, our member. Is joining as a deputy director. Now he's going to do a lot of service. S. Mauroof. Mauroof. Are you here, Mauroof? Prasantini Manoharan. I would like to call upon our women and child affairs sector. Prasantini Manoharan. certificates ගත්ත කට්ටිය චුට්ටක් අපිට උදව් කරන්න ඕන. පිටිපස්සේ ඉන්න කට්ටිය ඉඩ දෙන්න. අපි ඩිරෙක්ටර්ස්ලාට MIM Makbul JP Olailan MIM Makbul MIM Makbul. Then Lion is Sanjeevan MJF PMAF JP Olailan. MFM Fauzan, International Human Rights Global Mission Coordinator, Fauzan. Next, MR Muhammad Yazid. MR Muhammad Yazid. Next, M. Temochtas. Temochtas. M. Temochtas is one of our special character from our media sector and IT sector. All the best, all the best. Chamutra. Vidushan Jaishankar. Vidushan Jaishankar. Manoharan Segar. Manoharan Segar, all the best. DJ Razor, we need your support, please. Tuashda Nadaraja, she is for Women and Child Affairs. Tuashda Nadaraja. Abdul Nazir Fatima Nazla. Abdul Nazir Fatima Nazla. Abdul Nazir Fatima Nazla. Abdul Nazir Fatima Nazla. Thank you. She is also one of our IT sector coordinator. All the best. All the best. Next, Muhammad Yusuf Fatima Zaina JP Olailan. Muhammad Yusuf Fatima Zaina. Vasant Kumar Rup Singh. Ruman Vasant Kumar Rup Singh. Nadir Muhammad Ahnaf. Ahnaf. Kumar Rup Singh. Kumar Rup Singh. Badwantala Bhagavantalave Rahula Himi, our Reverend under Bhagavantalave Rahula Himi. Sahaya Raja Ignesh ராகுல ஹிமி அவர்கள் எங்கள் மனித உரிமைக்காக இந்த சங்கத்திற்காக பல உதவிகள் அவருடைய ஆலோசனைகள் தரக்கூடியவர். அவருக்கு எங்கள் சார்பிலே வாழ்த்துக்களையும் நன்றிகளையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வி விஜயதர்ஷினி Vijayadashini. தயவு செய்து அதாவது சான்றிதழ்கள் பெற்றுக் கொண்டவர்கள் சற்று எங்களுக்கு இடம் கொடுக்க வேண்டும். மற்றவர்களை அமர்வதற்கு இடம் கொடுக்குமாறு கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். பி விஜயதர்ஷினி. Next, Nadir Muhammad Arnab. Next, WGV Satsarani Vimalasena. She is a boxer, the Iron Lady, beautiful lady, a boxer. கொஞ்சம் எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் கவனமா இருக்கணும். பக்கத்துல வந்த நகைய கொண்ட பேரகான்னு அப்படி பாக்ஸர் எவிலைனே சத்சிரி விமலசேன. আমাদের ক্রিকেটে এখানে boxer यादा तभी सुबह पतना all the best. Next, Baitullah Yusuf JP Olailan. Baitullah Yusuf. Mohanadas Jaiposhan, the technical assistant and also our coordinator for international human rights. Next, MLM Ikram. MLM Ikram அவர்களுக்கு இங்கே சான்றிதழ் மற்றும் அவரை ஊக்குவிப்பதற்காக இங்கே வழங்கப்படுகிறது. Ikram. The next I'm glad to call upon is Sivasini, woman in child affairs. Sivasini. Next, Vijayaraja Vijitharan. Vijayaraja Vijitharan. Next, Vijayaraja Vijitharan. Sahayaraja Ignesh. I would like to call upon Sahayaraja Ignesh. So, ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause to all our members for the Apuriya dinner. Thank you. Next, Intusha. Sanitra Balan Intusha. Sanitra Balan Intusha. J.A.M. Riaz. J.A.M. Riaz. Nadir Muhammad Ahnaf. Nadir Muhammad Ahnaf. Once again, all the best to our new members and coordinators. J.A.M. Riaz. Nadir Muhammad Ahnaf. Anandan Prashant. Anandan Prashant. Ahnaf. Anandan Prashant இங்கே வெளியில் இருக்கின்ற just a moment. Nallatambi Kalaiselvan, are you here? Nallatambi Kalaiselvan. A.H. Iqbal. Next I would like to call upon A.H. Iqbal. Nallatambi Kalaiselvan. நல்லதம்பி கலைச்செல்வன் அவர்களும் தூர இடத்திலிருந்து வந்தவர் என்று நினைக்கின்றேன். அப்படியே சரி, உங்களுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள் எங்களுடைய சேவைகளோடு இணைய வேண்டும். A.H. Iqbal. V.D.P. Gerard Anthony. V.D.P. Gerard Anthony. Gerard Anthony, are you here? A. Muhammad Riaz. A.M. Muhammad Riaz is joining for the Youth Affairs. A.M. Muhammad Riaz. அவர்களுக்கும் வாழ்த்துக்கள். இளைய தலைமுறையினை வழிநடத்துவதற்கு நல்ல திட்டங்கள் வகுக்க வேண்டும் என்று எங்களோடு இணைந்தவர். வாழ்த்துகின்றோம். துரை ராசா இளையராஜா. துரை ராசா இளையராஜா. துரை ராசா இளையராஜா. துரை ராசா இளையராஜா. K.S. Kulavanshar. K.S. Kulavanshar. K.S. Kulavanshar என்ன? Kulavanshar. And next I would like to call upon Ulaganathan Suresh Kumar. Ulaganathan Suresh Kumar. Mohammed Mujawir. Mohammed Mujawir. Mohammed Mujawir. வைரன் எந்தனி பிள்ளை, வைரன் எந்தனி பிள்ளை. ராஜலிங்கம் லிங்கம் விக்னேஸ்வரலிங்கம், ராஜலிங்கம் விக்னேஸ்வரலிங்கம். ராஜலிங்கம் விக்னேஸ்வரலிங்கம் அவர்களுக்கு வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஐ அப்துல்லா, ஐ அப்துல்லா, அப்துல்லா ஐ அப்துல்லா. எம் நிவாஸ், எம் நிவாஸ், அப்துல்லா, அது எம் நவாஸ், நிவாஸ். ஜேசுதாசன் ரோஹான் ராஜ், ஜேசுதாசன் ரோஹான் ராஜ்.